Hello students, this video will give you the general properties of a quadrilateral. So to start with, what do you mean by a quadrilateral? Any shape which has four sides is called a quadrilateral. So a square has four sides, so that is a quadrilateral. A rectangle has four sides. A rectangle is a quadrilateral. So, any shape with four sides is a quadrilateral. Now, I have a quadrilateral here. It is named as A, B, C, D. Now, this quadrilateral has four sides. The four sides are made from the line segments AB, BC, CD and AD. When you are representing a line segment, you need to mention two alphabets. So this line segment is called as AB. This is called as BC. So you will have to use two letters. Now it has four angles: A, B, C, D. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle T. We name angles in this way: angle A, angle B, angle C and angle T. Or if you are representing this angle, you can write it either as angle A or DAB or BAD. So, if you are representing angle A, the middle letter will decide which angle it refers to. So, DAB refers to angle A, the same way BAD refers to angle A. So, angle A can be represented or written in three different ways. So if you write it using three alphabets, the middle letter will determine your angle. A quadrilateral has four vertices. If you see, there is a vertex A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D. The plural form of vertex is vertices. So it has four vertices: 1, 2, 3, 4. We have heard about opposite sides and adjacent sides. Now, first let us learn what opposite sides are. When two line segments do not have any vertex in common, that pair of sides are called opposite sides. Now, if you take the line segment AB and the line segment CD, you don't have any vertex in common. The line segment AB is formed using the vertices A and B, and the line segment CD is formed using the vertices C and D. So this line segment and this line segment do not have anything in common. So they are called opposite sides. Therefore, AB and CD are opposite sides. AB and CD are opposite sides. If you look here, AD is a side, BC is another side. This pair also does not have any vertex in common. So AD and BC do not have any vertex in common. Therefore, AD and BC are also opposite sides. Moving on to adjacent sides. From the name adjacent, adjacent means nearby. So, sides which are nearby are called adjacent sides. So, to start with, we will take a vertex. For example, I am taking the vertex A. AB and AD are the two sides which have vertex A in common. So, if you look at here, the vertex A has the side AB and AD near it. So, the sides which have a vertex in common are called adjacent sides. So, at the vertex A, AB and AD are adjacent sides. So, AB and AD are adjacent sides. Next, if I take the vertex B, again AB and BC or BA and BC are adjacent sides. At vertex C, BC and DC are adjacent sides. At vertex D, DC and AD are adjacent sides. So you have these many pairs of adjacent sides and two pairs of opposite sides. Next is about the perimeter of a quadrilateral. We know that a quadrilateral has four sides. Perimeter means the sum of all the sides. So when we add all the four sides, the result which we get is the perimeter of the quadrilateral. So my four sides are AB, BC, CD and AD. So when I add the four sides, the measurement of the four sides, that gives me the result. The sum gives me the perimeter. Now let's discuss about angles. Now I told you that there are four angles in a quadrilateral. So when we add all the four angles, the sum will be 360 degree. You can draw any quadrilateral, take the protractor and measure these four angles. Every time the sum of the four angles will be 360 degree. So the next property is about the diagonals. So we learned that there are four vertices in a quadrilateral. Now if you take the vertex A, it is adjacent to B and D. The vertex B is adjacent to A and C. Adjacent means nearby. But A is not connected to C using any side. A is not connected to C and B is not connected to D using any line segment. So A and C are the opposite vertices. B and D are the opposite vertices because they are not connected using any side of the quadrilateral. So when we join the vertex A and the vertex C, we get a line segment AC. And when we join the vertex D to the vertex B, we get another line segment BD. So we got two line segments by joining the opposite vertices. So AC and BD are the two line segments obtained by joining the opposite vertices A and C and B and D. So these line segments are called diagonals. A quadrilateral has two diagonals. Here it is AC and BD. So these are the general properties of a quadrilateral. In the next video, we will discuss about the properties of different types of quadrilaterals. Thank you.